Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this new series of After Effects tutorials, we are building an avatar fire and ash logo animation from scratch. In part 1, we will start small but powerful, creating a glowing embers and sparks that will later swirl around our burning logo. No extra plugins needed, just After Effects CC particle world. So let's dive in.
Please help him get to 10K subscribers this year.
Create a new composition and name it Embers. Make the resolution 1920 by 1080 pixel, 30 frames per second, and then set the duration to 10 seconds. Create a new solid layer and name it Particles. Apply Particle World Effect. In Effects and Control, turn off Grid, Guide and Motion Path under Grid and Guide. We don't need it. Lower your preview resolution to speed up playback. Under Particles, change particle type to Faded Sphere. Reduce bed size to 0.08 and depth size to 0.001. Under the Producers tab, change position X to -0.66, position Y to 0.34, and position Z to 0.43, and then adjust radius X to 1.295 and radius Y to 0.555. At this point, the particles are still falling down instead of going up like embers do. So we're going to change the physics settings. So under the physics tab, change animation type to fire, velocity to 0.2, gravity to 0.05, resistance to 4, and extras to -5. Under the extras tab, change random seeds to 2. Now we need to make this a little bit more intense and allow the spark and embers stay a little bit longer on the screen. To do that, let's go up and change some settings. Change bitrate to 5 and longevity to 4. Now let's make the particle look like they carry heat as they travel upward. To do that, add a glow effect to the particle layer. Duplicate it twice to increase the intensity of the heat. Now let's change the color of the particles to warm orange. Expand the CC particle world and go to the particles. Adjust the birth color and death colors. Now, let's make this more realistic. Duplicate the CC particle world effect 2 more times. Slightly vary settings like birth rate, velocity, gravity for each duplicate layer to add realism. Now, let's add more heat to the environment. Create a new solid layer and add the gradient ramp effect. Change the ramp colors to warm color and a darker orange color. Use the ellipse tool, mask the layer, increase the feather and drop down the opacity. Perfect. And that is it. In part 2 of this Avatar Fire and Ash logo animation series, we will bring in the actual logo and set it on fire with ash effect. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. And drop a comment below. How are your embers looking so far? Any tweak you would like me to try in the next part? Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.